Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've made one requested video from one of you. So if you have some request, feel free to write it into comments and I will try my best to do it as soon as possible. This specific request was for agriculture tools and equipment. So I'm gonna show you as much vocabulary as I could find for this topic. Agriculture in Slovak is Poľnohospodárstvo. I know it is quite a long one and sometimes it is even hard for me to say it. Now let's start with the vocabulary I prepared for you. First, we will take a look at machinery, in Slovak stroje. A tractor is traktor, a harvester combine, a lawnmower kosačka na trávu, a baler lis na balíky, an excavator bager or rýpadlo, and the forklift vysokozdvižný vozík. Here is more words I would like to show you. Cultipacker rotavátor. A plow is pluch. A chisel plow sekáčový pluch. A seed drill sejačka. A planter sadiaci stroj. A harrow brána. And a disc harrow tanierová brána. A subsoiler kyprič pôdy. A roller valec. Sprinkler system zavlažovací systém. A grain dryer sušička obilia. A swatter zhrňač. A bale wrapper ovíjačka balíkov. And the last one is a skid steer loader šmikom riadený nakladač. In the second part of this video, I would like to talk about gardening. In Slovak, záhradkárstvo. First tool is head shears, nožnice na živý plot. A shovel, rýľ. A hoe is motika. A watering can, krhla. A garden trowel, lopatka. A wheelbarrow, fúrik. And the rake, hrable. Here I also included more vocabulary for this topic. An axe, we say sekera. A saw, píla. Gardening gloves, záhradnícke rukavice. Seeds, semienka. A flower pot, kvetináč. A bucket, vedro. A shed, kôlňa. Garden hose, záhradná hadica. A ladder, rebrík. Grass, tráva. Water, voda. A garden is záhrada. And the gardener, záhradník. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Now you know a lot of vocabulary for agriculture tools and equipment in Slovak. If you like this video, please give it a like and leave me a comment which of these tools is the hardest for you to learn. I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and so many lovely words in the comments. I appreciate every single comment that you leave, so I want to say a big thank you to all of you and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!